Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix display driver failed to start on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your display driver failed to start on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open Device Manager. For that, you need to click on Start menu. Then search in the search box Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Under this list, you need to find display adapter. You can see a display adapter. Double click on that. You will find your display adapter drivers. Just right click on the display adapter driver. Click on update. Below you can see browse for my computer for the drivers. In this you can see second option, let me pick from a list for available drivers on my computer. Just select this option. Guys, in this you need to select the earlier version of the driver. You can see this is the latest one. If you want earlier version, you will find this. You can recognize this by the date of this driver. So select the earlier version of the driver and click on next and check whether it will be solved for you. If still you are getting this problem, then close this window. Again click on the start menu. Then type here sysdm.cpl. Click on sysdm.cpl. Guys, this is system property dialog box. In this you can see here advanced tab. Just click on the advanced tab. You can see here performance. Click on the settings. Guys, in this, if it is selected for adjust for the best appearance, you need to select as adjust for the best performance. After selecting adjust for the best performance, click on apply and click OK. Click OK. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix display driver failed to start on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.